The question is, are you familiar with the GA4 tracking and what is GA4? Basically, Google Analytics GA4 is the newest version of Google Analytics. Google has already phased out the Universal Analytics version last June, that is on June 30th. So every website should have the newer version of Google Analytics 4. The Google Analytics 4 gives a lot more information than what Universal Analytics used to do. In Google GA4, you should be able to see what sources and then what mediums are actually bringing us the clicks and what is the leads generated from those. You can also see some more specific information related to the fact that what is the country that are bringing us the leads and what is the bounce rate and the time or pages per visit. That way you can do the optimizations of the website based on these KPI stats.